It is such a joy to welcome you today as we come together to celebrate the creation of a deanship for the College of Medicine and the investiture of Dr. Mark Rosenblatt as the G. Stephen Irwin Dean.
This extraordinary gift will provide our College of Medicine deans with a lasting endowment that will give deans of the college unrestricted support to pursue intrepid ideas and promote the college's mission to advance health for all through outstanding education, research, and clinical care.
So I am Steve Irwin, and a proud graduate of the College of Medicine. I want to help UIC succeed and provide for others what the university has actually done for me personally. Giving is just not about the resources that we can provide, but about the impact that we make through gifting. So I want to welcome Mark Rosenblatt to this deanship, and I know that we'll all be rewarded by his innovative use of the endowment to improve the College of Medicine and its healthcare goals.
And from day one as a resident, it was clear that Mark Rosenblatt, MD, PhD, had a very solid foundation in science, in clinical medicine, in research methodology. But that wasn't it. He combined all this special talent with admirable personal traits. It's like if you're a parent, you want somebody like him to be your child.
A couple of weeks after we met, and started dating, he told me he was going on a 2-week safari with his best friend and that I probably wouldn't hear from him because they didn't have internet. I received a long text checking in from him nearly every day except for maybe 2 days. That's Mark. He figures out how to get things done when it seems impossible. He doesn't forget important details, and he cares. All these traits were back there 10 years ago and are still here now, even though circumstances have changed. I can't wait to see what the next 10 years brings for you, Mark, Steve, and for all of us.
You ready?
I think so.
I'm excited.
And what if I wasn't?
You're ready. You are ready, my friend.
And so as I thought further about legacy leading up to this event, I concluded that my career, and I suspect many of those in this audience, is really just a legacy of our teachers, friends, and family. Indeed, I really view my career as a clinician scientist as merely a somewhat dim and often imperfect reflection of the human and professional excellence that has surrounded me. I'm humbled by the honor of holding the G. Stephen Irwin Deanship and promise that I will do my utmost to prove worthy of this honor and in some way add to both Dr. Irwin's legacy as well as the legacy of those in this room who have helped me so much. Thank you very much.